Welcome back everyone. In this video, I want to show you how to disable repost on your own videos on TikTok. So TikTok now allows your users to repost videos from the For You page to their followers. By default, all your videos are allowed to be reposted. So to disable repost, open up your TikTok app. Now tap on the profile tab at the bottom right. Then tap on the three lines at the top right. Then tap on Settings and Privacy at the bottom. Now from this settings page, tap on Privacy. Scroll down and you'll see this option, Repost. Tap on it. Here you'll see the video repost option. As you can see, it currently allows others to repost your videos. To switch it off, toggle the switch to the left. This will disable others to repost your video. And that is how to disable repost on your own videos on TikTok. Hope you found this useful. If you did, please like this video and let me know in the comment section down below if it worked for you. Please consider subscribing to this channel as I post tutorials on a daily basis on popular social media apps. As always, thanks for watching and see you in the next one.